Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I recorded a video, but I mean it's just so busy as sometimes it's impossible. So I got something new I want to share with you. This is a 2015 Maserati. I'm going to do the rear brakes on this beast. It's a beautiful car. It has only 34,000 miles on it, but already needs the brakes. Those super fast cars like this ones, they wear out the brakes very fast. So I'm going to take you with me and enjoy this repair. Alright guys, I'm ready to start with these brakes. I'm aiming actually on the rotors. The ones we have, they were not slotted and dotted. So we need to get those. I mean, it looks something very simple. I just, wanted to share. Maseratis are not very common vehicles to repair, so that's what I want to share with you guys. So first I usually spray to get all the dust away from me. If you want to wear a mask, that's your choice. My choice, I'd rather use brake cleaner to clean the calipers and the old pads, so when I remove it's not much dust in there. Alright, so we have two pins in here. We need to push those back. And it's a pretty simple caliper. There's only a 4-piston calipers on the back. We have two 13mm holding the rotor. I will remove that as last. And the calipers itself is held by two Allen bolts. Hopefully that shows up in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I will show you. So let's get the pins off first. I'm using these sets from a Snap-on. This is a 30 seconds. I mean, pretty simple. Porsche and so on uses the same kind of system. So you just got the pin with like a little bit of a cove or cone on the back, which is the one that's going to hold the pins in place. Let's get the other one out. Alright, that's not so bad. And one thing that I like to do also too is just to push the pistons a little bit back, so it's actually very nice and clean. Very nice and clean. As you can see, it goes very easy back. So with two screwdrivers, you just push the pistons inside. Like that, the caliper is ready to go, come out. And my tool card on my left side. So now we can get the pads out. As you can see, they were just, just to the limit. Alright, now that we remove this, we can use again the spray. At this you're not going to be breathing, all this brake dust. Alright, so that should do it. Now let's get those bolts out. Looks like 8. Nope, actually bigger than that. Let's see. 10. So they're 10mm. What I like to do usually is break the torque out of the bolts first, and then use the cordless on it. Just long bolts in here. Alright. And that's how the caliper looks. As you can see, the pistons are all the way in, so that's a good thing about doing this as I did. I'm just gonna put a hook on it, but it's holding well, very good in there. Alright, so now we get the rotors out. Same thing. I like to break the first pressure with the ratchet, and then use the cordless for that. And we're gonna have to hit this a little bit. The things you can do is clean this a little bit first. Normal corrosion. I mean, this car has only 30,000 miles on it, but still, we're gonna get out. I like to spray a little bit of WD-40, so when I hit the rotor, it helps to go behind, and it comes out very easy. That will break it loose. Alright guys, so very important, you need to, these are electric parking brakes, so you need to put the parking brake into service position so you can remove the rotors. Again, same thing, clean, remove the parking brake, and then the rotor should come with no issues. Alright, let me see how that looks. Yeah, brake pads are fine for the parking. I mean, the brake shoes for the parking brake. 1 second, guys. Again. All right, here we go again. So again, parking brake is off. The shoes are fine, and let's just spray this with brake cleaner. So everything is ready to go to install. I'm gonna bring. I have a wheel that I use to clean it up and clean in here, so let me get and grab that too as well. Sorry for all the shop noise. This is just a tool that you can use to clean the hub. That should do it. I'm gonna leave that in here because they're gonna need it for the other side. Sorry, I'm saying that I'm going to leave it in my car because I need it for the other side. Still, I'm waiting on parts. Let me try to clean this a little more. I like to apply after a little bit of anti-seize onto here. That will help to stop corrosion and easy to remove the next time. Okay, so just a small amount. You don't have to cover the whole surface in the hub, just this portion, which is, you know, where the wheel and the rotor gets in. And I do have the new rotor here and pad for sure. align it good. Then you can put those two 13 millimeters back. This is OEM rotors. I like to clean the contact surfaces as good as possible, as much as possible. And your hardware comes complete, so we have the shims for each one of the pads, all the pins, and the secure lock for the spring lock for the outside. So this is good. So we got some lubricant. This is from Brembo that we can apply. Let me see if it's the right. Yes, it is. Alright, so we're good to go in here. Just going to show you guys this side. I mean, it's the same thing on the other side. So right now the audio and the video is probably not the best ever. I'm using my phone for this. This is a short video, so I didn't want it to hold a big camera for that. This is how it should look. That's all you really need to put on the pads. Let's install the caliper in place first. Just make sure you align it good here. No Loctite. As you can see, the threads are clean. Sorry, my head is on the way. And we can now use the make sure you start to expect that too. Have to take a look on the information, but most likely for the size of that, it's got to be like 80 foot-pound, sorry, 80 Newton meters. I will probably post the information on the at the end of the video for the torque specs. And right now we can get the pads inside. As I said, I like to put a little bit of a lubricant on the machine surface if it wants to come out. This is where the pad is going to slide. Don't go crazy too much on it. And the good thing about being pressure pistons in there, it's ready to go. Same thing with all the pad. That's a little bit too much. the pistons losing my way. Get a screwdriver. Let's see if it's a piston or something else. I don't see that as a problem. Let's try it again. Yes, the piston is a little tight here. The one on the bottom. Yeah. Have to push that one just a little tiny bit. And you have to push both, so again they're very soft, so it's just the one. Now the pad went in perfect. Alright. Sorry for all the sharp noise, guys, but it is what it is, right? So we can put the upper pin through. That is going to help us guide everything. And I think if I'm lucky, I'm going to be able to fit it in, and I was. So now we should do the same thing with the bottom one. It's not really much pressure, and that's it. So let me get a hammer. One on the pin. Again, this is the 5/30 seconds. So all you gotta do is just hit it from the back. Make sure it's all the way in. It's just a little hard to do with the camera and you guys in here, but all you gotta do is from the back hit it both sides so it comes in. But this is pretty much the service. I mean, it's pretty easy and simple. Make sure that you pump the brake to get the caliper close to, or the piston close to, and to reset the parking brake back to normal operation. For that, I want to show you guys. I'm using the, let me get the microphone out of here. So for that, I'm using the hotel. I had it ready to go, and lucky for me, that has all the software we need for brake calibrations, or I mean parking brake removal position and everything. All right, so I hope you guys like the video. I know it's a little short, but again, it's interesting to work in cars like this. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you so much.